All right, day two. We are at Meteor Crater, and it's a little overcast. It's perfect for hiking today. And this is an amazing view already, and I haven't seen anything. Take a look. Meteor Crater is located about 35 miles east of Flagstaff on I-40. It's easy to find, and there's an RV park close by if you want to stay near the crater. So let's walk up to the visitor center, and I see a platform up there. Let's check this out. Interestingly enough, it was only about 50 years ago that a consensus was formed about how these craters were made. After the blast testing in Nevada, some scientists realized that the formation was actually from an impact and an explosion, not volcanic craters. As a result of this new information, they were able to identify approximately 200 other similar impact sites across the globe. Meteor Crater remains the first proven and best preserved impact site on Earth, and in 1968 it was designated a natural landmark by the Department of the Interior. In 1902, a Philadelphia mining engineer, Daniel Barringer, suspected that this was the impact of a meteorite and bought the surrounding area, approximately 2 square miles containing the crater. He then obtained mining claims with the federal government and started exploring. He suspected that the meteorite itself was buried in the bottom of the crater and spent the next 26 years attempting to locate it. They drilled extensively, and at 1,376 feet, their rotary drill bit jammed completely. Barringer interpreted this to be caused by meteorite debris, but the bit was permanently stuck, the drill cable broke, funds were exhausted, and the exploration was abandoned in 1929. Here we see a replica of the sandwich shop that was created by the meteorite impact. Very accurate representation. This relic is pretty interesting. It's a test capsule named Boilerplate 29A. It never actually flew, but it was used in 1965 to test the systems that helped Apollo space capsules float when they returned and splashed down at sea. So there it is, Meteor Crater. It's something that I've always wanted to do and I just never have. It really wasn't too far from home, so I have no excuse. Adult entry fee is $18. I think I saw that children are $9, and then there's a discount for seniors also. I would say definitely check it out. If anything, just to do it once and say that you've been. It's pretty impressive in person. I've seen pictures of it, but you don't really get the full effect of the sheer size of something like this until you see it firsthand. So that's it for Meteor Crater, and next stop I think will be Flagstaff or one of the surrounding areas, and then I'll see what's next. So thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day.